Hey, welcome everybody. Another edition of Cooking Up a Revolution. So you might notice I'm in my room again here. I just wanted to take today to do a little mental health check-in for everybody, including myself. I'm on the verge of losing my job right now because I'm not going to participate in gene modification technology they're trying to force upon the population. So, it's been a little bit of a stressful kind of time and a lot of mixed emotions and everything going on out there and everything going on in here and just big old clusterfuck happening. So decided to do something pretty extreme just because it's what I do. No control. But what I did was got myself a bunch of scentsy stuff. When it's all crazy outside and it's all crazy inside and we're not really sure where to turn, where to go, any of that kind of stuff. I just want to emphasize, create your own space. Make it yours. Embrace your creativity and, the things that you enjoy and love and the things that make you feel nice. I got my little, I don't know if you can see it here. That's my little fountain that I got there. I love the little blubbering sounds. I got some lapis on there and some organite. And the water just goes and bubbles on through there. And I got my crystals and my candles. Got my salt lamp with my little head massager. And then I got my Nightmare Before Christmas dice on the wall there. I got some Spider-Man Lego minifigures. There's a little protection ball I got from Mama G and a little surprise box that I got. And I got my little monster alien dude there. Just a little subconscious reminder that I'm a bit of a monster. I'm still cute and cuddly. And then that cool freaking thing there, that's just the bag that I got that had an awesome picture on it. So just create a space that just kind of allows you to take your focus from out there or inside here and just brings it into the present moment and just don't allow yourself to kind of be influenced by the feelings and the energies and the things that are going on, be it external or internal. Create a space that makes you feel good, that brings you joy, that, speaks to whatever kind of little quirks and stuff that you got, that you enjoy, that, make you an individual. So I got some scentsy stuff to just enhance my space even that much more. I love the smell of things. That's totally, if I go into that Bath and Body Shop freaking place or wherever, I'm sniffing all the damn candles that are out there. So I've been seeing all these things. I haven't tried it before. I've never used scentsy. I've got no idea what to expect. So let's open this guy up here and we'll see what all we got and give it all a sniff. Remember, always cut away from you, never towards you. All right. We got our little receipt there. Bunch of packing paper. Save that for your kiddos for when you're doing crafts and such and you want to lay something down to protect your table. So we've got our plug-in scentsy warmer. Let's just open this guy. Of course, they have like 1,000,001 different designs. The one that I got is just a nice little pot. Live simply. I thought that was very fitting. So, of course, that's the one that I went and got. Put that all back together and we'll get that going as soon as I'm done here doing all this. Alright, so we got this one here. Unwrap that. We got this one here. Alright, so we got very blessed. I think that's a very fitting one to start off with. That's nice. Just a very mixed berry kind of scent. We've got blue Grotto. I love these colors. Of course, they're going to draw me in with all their beautiful colors. Oh, that's nice. It's like a blue lemonade kind of... Yeah, blue raspberry lemonade kind of scent. Totally dig that. We got Christmas Cottage. Got that coming up here soon. So, of course, they're letting out all their Christmas ones. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, it's got a nice, strong spice smell to it. Little slight berry. I'm freaking definitely loving that one. Let's put these in order here. Best. Not so good. Apple and cinnamon sticks. That's nice. It's kind of just your basic regular apple and cinnamon scent, so I like that. Not as good as the other two, though. We got Best in Snow. Well, that's really nice. It's kind of... I'm not sure how to describe that one. It's like laundry detergent that doesn't seem like it would taste bad. Oh, really like fresh and clean, but you get that like natural kind of fruity essence to it. Oh, I like that one. This is jammy time. So obviously it's going to be a nice kind of nighttime, relaxing, ease down one. Ooh. Yeah, that's nice. It's kind of like lavender, citrusy, little bit of chamomile-y. Yeah, it's like fruity and floral. A little kind of herbal essence. I like that one. Do I like it more than the blue lemonade and the cottage one? I don't think so. That cottage one. Oh, that smells good. And we've got Polar Bear Hug. That just sounds comforting. Unless it's hungry. Oh. Well, that's nice. It's kind of like a cocoa butter vanilla. Very like smooth and rich. Yeah, that's a nice one. Okay, and then we've got Marvel 9 Realms. I'm not thrilled with this one. It's kind of like fruity, soapy, berry-ish. Yeah, this one's going to the end of the pile. Well, that's slightly disappointing, but that's okay. This one, I sure hope will make up for it. We got our Oogie Boogie Man Roll the Dice. Even though Oogie Boogie Man isn't on this one at all. Oh, yeah. It's like citrusy, limey, and woody with a little bit of herbal overtones to it. Very good. I like that. So let's still think this would be third. So we had Marvel 9 Realms in last place. We had Berry Blessed next. And we had the Apple Cinnamon Sticks. And we've got the Polar Bear Hug. And the Best in Snow. And the Jammy Time right in the middle. Those are all very enjoyable and good. And then for the top three, coming in at number 3, we got the Roll the Dice. Number 2, the Blue Grotto. And the top one, which I will be the first one to burn, or melt, I should say, is going to be Christmas Cottage. So there you go. So thanks for joining me. Hope you had fun with that. I know I certainly did. So, just hang in there. All we can do is wait it out and kind of see how this whole thing plays out. Go with what kind of hands we're dealt with. But like I was saying, just create a nice space for you. And just allow it to be a place that enriches your heart and allows you to not be influenced by the outside and the inside narratives that are constantly going on. So with that being said, I will see you again next time. Be good to yourselves and be good to each other. Mwah!